Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I recently got the new Shop Violet Voss Hashtag Palette that looks just like this, and it is so gorgeous. As soon as I saw these colors, they instantly reminded me of like a tropical Hawaiian sunset. So that is kind of the inspiration for my makeup today. Now, if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. To prep my skin, I'm using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer in the Nourishing formula and just applying this all over my face to create a nice smooth canvas for my makeup. And for my makeup today, I'm actually switching a few of the steps. I'm going to be applying my concealer first, the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape. By covering up my blemishes and my dark spots first and then going over with my foundation, it literally makes them invisible. Like you can't tell I have any pimples or any dark spots or kind of imperfections. And just switching these two steps has made a huge difference in my makeup. I'm then going to just lightly dust my face with a little bit of translucent setting powder to make sure that everything stays in place when I apply my foundation. My favorite foundation lately has been the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. It's just such a nice formula and it blends so nicely into the skin and looks very natural but still very radiant. So I'm just dotting this all over my face and then going in with my new favorite Real Techniques foundation brush. This is, I believe, their Rainbow Chrome collection. And just the way that this blends the foundation into my skin makes it look so beautiful and just so airbrushed and like almost like I photoshopped my skin in real life. It's such a gorgeous finish for this brush. I highly recommend it. And now for my under eyes, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape and just applying this in little triangles on my under eyes to cover up those pesky little dark spots because we all know those are just so much fun. And then of course going in with my Beauty Blender to just kind of blend everything in and make sure there's no harsh lines. I have a self tanner on, so I really wanted to warm up my face. So I'm taking the Bare Minerals Invisible Bronzer and just lightly dusting this all over my face, focusing on my temples, the edges of my face, the hollows of my cheeks, my chin, and the underside as well. I just wanted to really warm everything up so that my foundation didn't look a little bit too light because I didn't have the exact foundation to match my tan. To set my under eyes, I'm using the MAC and Patrick Star Setting Powder and my Real Techniques Instapop Face Brush. The way that this brush just bakes your face is just perfection. The way the brush angles in, it just provides a very airbrushed finish. And then to pair with that, I'm using the Tarte Exposed Blush, the Amazonian Clay one. This paired with the Instapop Cheek Brush is just such a gorgeous, natural kind of blush, a very light color to the skin and just makes it look flawless. For highlight, I'm using the Lancome Click and Glow highlighters. This one is in the color Warm Gold. I love the cushion applicator on this. I usually just apply it a little bit and then go over with my finger just to kind of blend everything in. And then to finish it off, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the color Rose Gold. This combination just made my highlight totally pop. I like literally glowed to the gods. For eyeshadow today, I'm using the new Violet Voss Hashtag Palette. I'm going to be dipping into the color Sauce and just very lightly buffing this back and forth over my eyelids. This is in no kind of specific way, just very lightly over both the eyelids and in the crease just to kind of lay down a base. And then I'm going to be taking the color Life, which is this gorgeous purple, and very lightly buffing this in the crease of my eye from inner corner to outer corner. Then to deepen up the crease even more, I'm going in with the color TBT and just kind of buffing this from inner corner to outer corner. This is such a gorgeous, deep, kind of plummy purple pink shade, and I love the way that this helped transition into all the other colors we're about to lay down. And then to blend out the edges, I'm just going in with my Real Techniques Blend and Blur Eye Brush. This is perfect for smoking out any harsh lines. On my lids, I'm going to apply the Urban Decay Primer Potion just to kind of lay down a nice cream base for the metallic shades. This really just helps them pop, and it's almost like a cut crease, but not quite because we're going to blend everything together. Taking the color Truth, which is this gorgeous kind of gold yellow color, I'm going to apply this on the very inner corner of my eye, in my tear duct, and then the lower lash line as well. Kind of only working about the third of the way in onto my eye, making sure to leave the center and the outer corner blank for the other colors. Then I'm going to take the color Vacay, which is this gorgeous kind of coppery orange, and lay this right down in the center so it blends right into that yellow. I'm going to kind of pack this on the upper lid and then on the lower lid as well, and then go back in with my brush and just kind of blend it out very slightly into the yellow. On the edge of that orange, I'm going to lay down the color Living, which is this gorgeous burgundy red color. I'm just going to kind of pack that on there very slightly, blending it into the orange, but still leaving a little space on the very outer corner. I'm then going to go in with the color Pretty AF and lay this right on the edge of that red to kind of bring it all the way to the edge of my eye. And as you can see, this kind of creates this just gorgeous gradient of color from the outer corner to the inner corner. And all the same colors that are on my top lid, I'm going to apply to my lower lash line. So dark purple on the outer corner, followed by the red, the orange, and then the yellow as I work towards the inner corner. And then I'm just going to take a large fluffy brush and just kind of very lightly blend all the colors together at the edges. For lashes today, I'm using the Cake Face Beauty and Kim Tai Audacious Lashes and just applying these to my lash line before blending them together with a little bit of the MAC mascara just to make them a little bit fuller and really make them pop. And then to finish everything off with lips, I'm using the MAC and Patrick Star collection. This is the Edge to Edge lip liner. So I'm just using this to very lightly line my lips and bring it slightly downwards and upwards on both the top and bottom lip. And I'm going to go ahead and fill everything in with the She Better Work lipstick. This color combination is so gorgeous. All right, so that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me create this sunset-inspired makeup look. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what other types of videos you guys would like to see. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!